Hi everyone, this is Dr. Val Fiott, longtime certification committee member for the American Council on Exercise, longtime expert in corrective health, exercise, and clinical rehabilitation. I'd like to talk with you a little bit about Stretch Authority and why I highly recommend their 12-step, 30-minute program for you. Whether you're sedentary, whether you're someone who has a desk job and is seated for most of the day, or if you're someone who's already very, very active, I do highly recommend this 12-step, 30-minute program at Stretch Authority. Now here's why. When you walk into Stretch Authority and begin your 30-minute stretching session, you're going to have a top certified NASM personal trainer. You're not actually performing the stretches yourself. You're simply allowing a top certified professional to perform the stretches for you using your own body. And the advantage here is really tremendous because you're actually getting the range of motion at the joints that's clinically appropriate without too much and without too little. And you're also getting the right duration. Now, studies have shown us time and time again that for most people, when they stretch, their stretches are either too short, or they're not intense enough, or in some cases, they're actually too intense, or they're just not articulating properly. They're not really performing the stretch in an effective and safe manner. Now, all of those risks and all those concerns go out the window when you're working with Stretch Authority because, of course, these people are experts. They know exactly what your joints and your muscles need, and they give all of that to you in a simple 30-minute session. One of the things I really like about this program and this 12-step, 30-minute endeavor with Stretch Authority is that you're not actually having to have any real discipline. All you have to do is get yourself there. You don't have to have the focus. You don't have to have the intensity yourself. You can have your mind be elsewhere. You can be someone who's really not all that disciplined and focused with exercise, and you're still going to get a tremendous stretching workout that's going to be very therapeutic and also very preventive for your muscles, your joints, and your connective tissue. Let me talk a little bit about some of these great benefits in this incredible 12-step program. So firstly, you're being very preventive because your joints don't just maintain health on their own with your daily activities. They really do need a program like this in order for them to truly stay healthy year after year and decade after decade. Now, another very important thing is actually the health of your blood vessels. The health of your blood vessels actually increases when you have the right flexibility. So when people tend to get older and they're not targeting their muscles properly, they're not giving their muscles and their body what's needed, their shoulders tend to stiffen up, their hip areas tend to stiffen up, their lower back stiffens up. And that actually is bad for not just the muscles and the connective tissue, but for the blood vessels themselves. Now, lastly, it's really important to also consider stress reduction. And with this kind of stretching program from Stretch Authority, this assisted professional stretching, you're going to see great improvement in your nervous system and in the way your musculoskeletal system ages. So let me go ahead and give you a little list here. I want you to know exactly which muscles are going to get stretched and why I highly recommend this program. So first, let's talk about the quadriceps. Now, the quadriceps are the front muscles of the thigh. Those get very tight and they can cause a lot of knee pain. These muscles get very well stretched in this 12-step program. Additionally, the hip flexor muscles are also stretched. Those muscles get really tight, especially from prolonged sitting, or even if you're an avid bike rider, those muscles can get very, very tight easily. Again, Stretch Authority is going to help you get them loosened up. Your glute muscles, the muscles of your butt, the hamstrings, the muscles just below them, also chronically tight in a very high percentage of our population. The low back muscles and paraspinals, the neck muscles like the scalenes and the suboccipitals, the traps or the trapezius muscles. These are some of the major muscles of your back. These get very, very chronically tight. The latissimus dorsi muscles, other major back muscles are also stretched. The obliques, these are the muscles along the side of your abs, like the side of your midsection. And of course, the chest muscles, the pectoralis. All of these muscles are going to be stretched in a simple 30-minute stretching exercise period with Stretch Authority, where again, you don't even have to be focused. You don't have to be thinking about what's going on because it's all being done for you. So again, my name is Dr. Val Fiott. I highly recommend Stretch Authority. Give them a shot today. We'll look forward to your success.